Hey, fourth graders, we are going to go over some vocabulary that you will see in the next reading passage. So I do want to go over them with you. So, oh, can you guys see this? Let me see. All right, I'm just going to keep it here. All right, so our first vocabulary word is horizon. A horizon is where the earth or sea seems to meet the sky. So when you guys go to the beach or you go to Pacifica and you look out, this is the horizon. It's kind of like a line where the earth and the sky and the sea seems to meet. Our next word is circular. It means having the form of a circle, or it moves in like the motion of a circle. We can say, wow, the blender, when you're making a smoothie, you see the liquid moving in a circular motion. Or he's waving his arms in a circular motion. It makes a circle. Our next word is transmit. So it means send or move from one person or place to another. We can have different kinds of things that transmit. It can be radio signals or germs. You can say, transmit means to spread, and so germs can spread. Our next word is hazardous. It means involving or exposing to risk or harm, meaning it's just dangerous. Things that are hazardous are dangerous. You guys probably have seen these signs before where it warns you and it warns people, hey, this is a dangerous area or there's hazardous materials here. Be careful. So hopefully you are able to review these words before you read our next passage. Later on this week, you will be writing sentences for these 4 vocabulary words. So if you need to, you can always go back to this video to review what they mean and look for examples that I could have given in this video to help you write your sentences.